Let's talk today about seasonal sniffles. So, with the weather changing and blossoms outside and wind and rain and whatever conditions you're living in, along comes seasonal sniffles. There's nothing worse than itchy eyes, runny noses, sneezing, and taking something that could make you sleepy. So let me show you what alternatives we have with Young Living, which are all plant-based, and actually seasonal sniffles are one of the things that opened my eyes to the versatility of essential oils. So here is Allerzyme. This is a little capsule that is vegetarian and it promotes digestion because your digestive system is part of what helps your body to process and break down things that you could be allergic to. So they're just these tiny little capsules. My kids and I take these just as needed. So if we wake up and our eyes are itchy, or if we find ourselves sneezing a lot, we'll take them. Sometimes we'll take two if the symptoms are a little bit more. The good part about this is it doesn't contain any kind of artificial chemicals, and so there are no side effects. You may have to take the capsules a little bit more often, but it's completely safe for you, so you don't get the dry mouth and the drowsiness. This was mind-blowing for me. When I first became a member with Young Living, I didn't know that you could ingest essential oils, but you can also use them for things like seasonal sniffles. So I have these 4 oils that a friend told me I should use on my kids when they had sniffles. So this is peppermint, copaiba, which is an anti-inflammatory. It comes from a resin of a tree, which also helps with sore throats and teething babies. Lemon oil and lavender oil. Lavender is a natural antihistamine, so that works really well. What you can do when you have these oils, which 3 out of the 4 come in the premium starter kit, so that is amazing. But you can put them in the diffuser, 3 drops each, and have it diffusing around the house. You can also put it in a roller ball or a roller bottle and roll it on. You can roll it on the wrist, the back of the ears, the neck, bottoms of the feet, and up and down the spine. Same 4 oils, that's lemon, lavender, peppermint, and copaiba, and then fill it with some carrier oil just to fill it up. I would do probably 10 drops of each in one of these larger roller bottles. Something else you can do is drop the drops, 3 drops each, into a clear veggie capsule. That's another way to ingest essential oils. These clear veggie capsules you can get from Young Living, and they're just gelatin capsules. So you can see, you just drop the oils in, maybe add a carrier oil if you wanted to, and then you put the top on and you can ingest it. My daughter, Lily, was doing that from the time she was probably 9 years old. So it's very, very easy to do, to make little pills. And then something that I learned that was really cool was that frankincense oil helps with itchy eyes. So if you have itchy eyes, the frankincense also comes in the premium starter kit. What you would do is just drop 1 drop of frankincense into the palm of your hand. I got 2 drops there. It's also really good for your skin. But you rub it around the ocular bone, which is the bone that goes around your eye, and you will find instant relief 99% of the time. It has never not worked for me. I'm not going to guarantee you that it works for everybody, but it's pretty amazing. If we didn't have frankincense, I don't know what we would do. I guess we would have to take something over the counter that has side effects. Another thing you should carry with you is Breathe Again. This Breathe Again roller comes already diluted like this from Young Living, and it helps when you're having some seasonal issues. So I hope that gives you some all-natural alternatives to the stuff that we would have to buy in the store. And the beauty of these oils is you can do so much more with all of these versus a bottle of medication. All right, hope that's helpful.